Good evening everyone. Today's date is 13 July 2021. My name is Rajkumar Raghunath Bhosle. Today's video topic is hash map and tree hash map in Java. Let's see first what is mean by hash map. Java hash map class implements the map interface which allow us to store the key and value pair which where key should be unique. If we try to insert the duplicate key, it will replace the element of the corresponding key, or it will replace the element of the corresponding key. It is easy to perform operation using the key index like updation, deletion, etc. etc. A hashmap class is found in the Java util package. Hashmap is in Java like the legacy hash table class, but it is not synchronized. It allows us to store the null elements as well, but there should be only one null key. Since Java 5 it denoted as a hashmap key. Hashmap key v greater than or less than. Here k stands for key and v stands for value. It inherits the abstract map class and implements the map interface. There are some points to remember. Let's see. First point, Java hashmap contains the value based on the key. Java hashmap contains unique keys. Java hashmap may have one null key and multiple null values. Next is Java hashmap. Java hashmap is non-synchronized. And next is Java hashmap maintains no order. In the initial default capacity of Java hashmap class is a 16-bit load factor of 0.75. Let's see hierarchy of hashmap class. Hashmap class declaration. We can declare hashmap class by using public class hashmap less than k v greater than extends the abstract map less than key v and greater than. Hashmap class parameters are k is the type of the key maintained by its map, and v is the type of mapped values. Then next is the next constructor of Java hashmap class is a hashmap constructor. It is used to construct the default hashmap. Then next is a hashmap int capacity. It is used to initialize the capacity of the hashmap to give the given integer value of capacity. Next is a hashmap integer capacity or float or loader factor. It is used to initialize both the capacity and load factor of the hashmap by using the arguments. Then let's see some methods of Java hashmap class. First method is a while clear method. It is used to remove all the mapping from the map. This maps. The next is a boolean is empty map. Boolean is empty method. It is used to return true if this map contains no key value mappings. Next method is a object clone method. It is used to return a shallow copy of this hashmap instance, and the key the key and the value themselves are not cloned. Next method is a set entry set method. It is used to return a collection view of mapping contained in this map. Next method is a void put all map. It is used to insert the specified map in the map. Next method is a remove object key. It is used to delete an entry for the specified key. And then let's see. Next method is a boolean contains value object value. This method returns the true if some value equals to the value exists within the map. Else returns false. Then let's see boolean is empty method. This method returns true if map is empty and returns false if it is contains at least a key. Next method is p replace in parameter key and p for value. It replaces the specified value for a specified key. Then next, let's see what is the tree map class in Java. Java tree map class is a red black tree based implementation. It provides an efficient means of storing key value pairs in sorted order. The important points about the Java tree map are Java tree map contains value based on the key, and it implements the navigable map interface and extends abstract map class. Java tree map contains only unique elements. Java tree map cannot have a null key but can have multiple null values. Java tree map is non-synchronized. Java tree map maintains the ascending order. Tree map then in Java tree map K is it is a type of keys maintained by this map, and V stands for it is the type mapped values. Then constructor of Java tree map class is tree map constructor. It is used to construct an empty tree map that will be stored that will be sorted using the natural order of its key. Tree map comparator less than super k or comparator. Constructor is it is used to construct an empty tree based map that will be sorted using the comparator. The next constructor is a tree map sorted map less than k or extends v is greater than m. It is used to initialize a tree map with the entries from the sorted map sm which will be sorted in the same order as method. Let's see some methods of Java tree map class. First method is a method map.entry less than k or v ceiling entry. It returns the key value pair having the list key or greater than or equal to the specified key or null if there is no such a key. Next method is a white clear method. It removes the all the key values pairs from the map. It is similar to the hash map. The next method is a object clone method. It returns a shallow copy of tree map instance. Next method is a navigable set. It returns a reverse order navigable set view of the key contained in the map. Next method is the map entry first entry method. It returns the key value of value pair having the list key. Next method is a map entry floor entry. It returns the greatest key less than or equal to the specified key or null if there is no such a key. Next method is a sorted map head map. It returns the key value pairs whose keys are strictly less than 2 key. Next method is a k higher key key method. In this method it is used to return true if this map contains a mapping for the specified key. Next method is a set method. It is also similar to the hash map. It returns the collection of key exists in the map. The next method is a k lower key method. It returns the greatest key strictly less than the given key or null if there is there is no such a key. Next method is a map entry k polished entry. It removes and returns a key value mapping associated with the greatest key in this map. Next method is a put method. It inserts the specified value with the specified key in the map. And then next method is a boolean replace method in with key and v with old value and v for new value. It replaces the old value with the new value for a specified key. That is all about the today's video topic. Thank you.